Mr. John Marak from Baghmara constituency has filed an election petition which was registered as election petition 1 of 2023. He has challenged the election of Baghmara constituency on the ground that the person, Mr. Kartush Marak, was elected from 60 Baghmara constituency on the ground that he is disqualified for subsisting contract, having a subsisting contract on the date of filing the nomination. Now the law which is involved, a person who is elected in the assembly or in the council, legislative council and state legislative assembly, can be disqualified under Article 191 of the Constitution of India. 191. In 191.1, they have given certain laws, and one of the laws which has been settled is that clause E. Our application is under clause E of 191.1. Clause E says that a person who is elected can be disqualified for a law which has been made by the Parliament. So Parliament has enacted Representations of People Act, as you are aware, and we have filed an application for declaring the election of a returning candidate from Baghmara, Mr. Kartush Marak, as null and void before the Honorable High Court. So today the matter was listed. We have placed our matter, and the Honorable Court has issued notice to all the respondents. Now, in this matter, what happened? Mr. Kartush Marak, on the day of the filing the nomination, he was holding subsisting contract, and he is also a first-class contractor from various departments of Government of Meghalaya. Now, the expectation of my client, Mr. John Marak, was that the returning officer should have cancelled or returned back the nomination papers of Kartush Marak, or should not have accepted the nomination paper, because he was holding the subsisting contract, and he has in fact given in his affidavits which he has filed as form 26, which he has enclosed along with his nomination papers. So my client expectation was that the returning officer should have rejected the nomination papers or returned back the nomination papers of Mr. Kartush. But it was not done. Probably the returning officer was not well versed with the provision of law. See, in his form, if you download his form from the elections website, you will see in serial number 9, he has declared that the form speaks about what is the source of your income. So he has written there, government contractor, first class, registered before various departments like PWD road, PWD building, some other departments are there. He is registered contractor, and at present this contract which he got from the government is subsisting, means the contract is on, is a valid contract. And the law 9A of the Representations of People Act specifically say that a person will be disqualified if he hold a subsisting contract. See, as per the paper which has been procured by my client, the law is in our favor. The law is in our favor. Now, we have placed our case. That will be adjudicated by the Honorable Court, and the matter is sub judice now. I cannot give more information than this.